In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the controls or keybinds on REMATCH. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So REMATCH is finally out, and as you probably know, on the beta you had no options to actually set custom keybinds. But now all you need to do is go to System, then go to Options, and right here you will see Controls. So this is new. If you go, you will see there are different presets, like those presets, but then you have the custom category where you can set any keybind you want. So you can see basically every single action you can do on the game. You can set actions for goalkeeper with or without the ball. So for example, let's say you want to change this key to push the ball. By default it's a space, but if you click here, you will see this where it will ask you to press any button to bind. So let's see, I want to press G. I just do it like this, and you will see the new key for this action, confirm. And now you will be doing this action with this specific key. So that's it. That's how you can change controls or keybinds on REMATCH. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.